Hey everyone, Nathan here with the Dorn Realty Group, powered by Alexander Realty, brokered by, and also affiliated with Matador Properties. That's the investment side of things that I personally do with a business partner. So, Zillow, we rag on Zillow a lot as a real estate agent, and I need to point something out specific about how their Zestimate works. And an update they've made in the past year and a half. So we have, sorry, my chair's squeaking. We have just listed a property. It was the Wednesday before Thanksgiving, so 3 days now. And went through the Thanksgiving holiday, and then I noticed something late Friday night. Our Zestimate changed for the better. Thank you, Zillow. We listed this property and it had a Zestimate of $123,000. Okay? The Zestimate's now $215,000. That's our list price. All right, thanks Zillow. What happened? Zillow has no idea what your current home's condition is and what the value of your home could be until it just steals all the information I worked for. Okay? So, once we had it listed, professional photos uploaded, we used a professional photographer. Don't use cell phone pictures, okay? Although they are getting better and better, but they know how to correct the lighting and all of that jazz, okay? So now we've got those uploaded. Zillow's artificial intelligence that they said that they certainly use, like May 2019, something like that, scrubs those photos. They're looking at types of flooring, cabinets, colors throughout the house, updated bathrooms, you name it, okay? Which is cool. I mean, that's great. Takes all of those and all the information that we input on the MLS, because it's spread to Zillow, Trulia, Realtor.com, all those other third-party websites, okay? So now it takes all information and updates everything and says, oh, your Zestimate's now this. Oh, well, thanks. I already knew that because I'm the one that ran the comps. I'm the one that did the updates, and I'm the one that uploaded the property. So Zillow, you're just one step behind the real estate agent. Okay? Use an agent to come over, look at your house, or do a virtual meeting. We're in the middle of COVID, so they can tell you what your house is worth. Okay? Other than just throwing it up on Zillow, waiting for them to do all their magic, and then giving you a price of what it should be. Kind of back-asswards, huh?